Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at wireless headphones. These phones have lots of features, so if you've been wanting a great headphones and not break the bank, these are probably for you. So let's take a closer look. Alright, so this is the box that they come in. Very nice. Here's the company name, Mixcder. They do have active noise canceling, so this is the real deal. Here's the model number, E9. So they're plastic wrapped. I'm going to go ahead and take that off so we can see a little better. That's a very nice box. So here on the back we have specs, and here are the English specs. And here on the side we can see all the features that this headphones have. So we have active noise canceling. We have 30 hours of playtime, and these have 40mm drivers, so you can go wireless or wired if you wanted to. That's awesome. And they are foldable, adjustable, and come with a carrying case. Super cool. Let's open it up. So it looks like we're greeted with a pouch. So we got the logo on the front. On the back here it's clean. On the top we have a little strap that you could, hang them on or carry them. And this is a hard shell, so it keeps its form. It's not completely soft. Let's go ahead and open it up. And that's very smooth. All right, that's a very nice looking headphones there. I love the reflection there. All right, so in the case we have the headphones, and they are strapped on with this stretchable strap here. There's a bag of accessories here. Let's go ahead and look at that. So in the bag there is a manual, and it's super thick. Check that out. So it has a lot of different languages in here. So that's nice. They include a nice little manual. So there's an adapter, and this looks to be like one of those little airplane adapters. I'm not sure if people still use this. Maybe in different countries they do. But that's cool that they include that. So also you have a 3.5mm cable here, and I'm guessing that's to connect between the headphones and your sound source if you wanted to go wired. And the last cable is a micro USB to USB charger. And also we get a little company card here that looks like a little phone, and it's information about the company and a little thank you. All right, so let's pull the phones out here. So here's a nice little detail. In the case, there's like this separator here so they don't rub against each other when they're in the case. Very nice. All right, so let's take a closer look at the phones themselves. So it looks like they pivot like this, so you can put them up in storage, or if you're just wearing them on your neck, instead of them sitting like this on your neck, bulking into your chin and stuff, they can lay flat. So let's start on the top here, and you can see that the top is made out of leather. It's very nice and very squishy right here on the top. That should feel really good on your head. So as we go down, we have plastic here, and this adjusts here in between. And the cool part, guys, is that they actually put numbers in here, so you can go back or to exactly wherever you want, and it has clicks, so it clicks in between. So if we keep going down, we have the Mixcder logo there. So this is kind of a nice finish here. It's got that little effect going. Pretty cool. So it looks like this is the earpiece that's the main one. And by the way, guys, if you like low key, this headphone definitely is low key. It's all blacked out everywhere. So it's a pretty nice look if that's what you like, if you don't want to go flashy. So let's start from this side. We have the power button here. It looks like we have a microphone hole, a little light, the micro USB charger, negative and positive buttons, which is the volume up and down. And that is all the buttons on this side. And if we go to the other side, we can see there is a button here, and it says ANC, and what that stands for is active noise canceling. So you can turn it on and off by doing that. And the last part here is where you would plug in your extension cable if you wanted to go wired. So here we're at the ear cups, and they're also made out of leather, looks like, or leather type material. Also very nice and very squishy, you can see. And inside we have a black little soft foam. So yeah guys, as you can see, these are very, very nice little headphones. So if you're the kind of person that likes stealthy look, not everyone look at me, these are awesome. You know, you can take these as you're, going through your day, and you will not be attracting too much attention. Alright, so far these are looking really good. And so the next thing we need to do is power them on and connect them. So most importantly, we can see how they sound. Alright, so we're going to hit the power button and see what happens. Alright, so it turned on, and I heard the speakers inside say power on, so it does talk to you also. So we got a blue light blinking. I'm guessing that is searching for Bluetooth. So here on my phone we see the available devices, the Mixcder E9, so we're going to click on that. And it's paired. So as you can see guys, pairing is quick and easy. Alright guys, so I'm going to let you be the first ones to listen to these. I'm going to use this Zoom H1 here, and I'm just going to put it inside the headphones, and hopefully we'll be able to hear pretty good what they sound like. So I'm just going to play a video from my own videos here. Here is a specially designed bag just for the Xbox One S. So let's take a closer look. Alright, so now that we got some audio for you guys, now I'm going to have to put these on and give them a test run. And the way I like to do that is I need to listen to them for a few days. Alright guys, so it's been a few days and I've been using the Mixcder wireless headphones, and overall I'm really enjoying them. And one of the things that I didn't realize that was going to be a big deal was the active noise canceling. And I realized I can use that feature just by itself by turning it on and then putting on the phones, and my environment disappears from me. So I don't even have to power the headphones. I can use the canceling effect, and it kind of makes like rumbly sounds go away. Like everything that's bassy just goes away. There's still a little bit of thinness left, but it's so minor it doesn't bother you at all. So after I used that feature, I realized what these headphones are best suited for. They're actually suited for traveling. So if your life is always moving around, traveling, and just going places, and you want to bring your music with you, or you want to isolate the world around you a little bit, those deeper notes of that's really bothering just kind of go away, and everything becomes very thin and small. You can still hear things that are happening around you, which is really good in my opinion, because you can still react to people around you or the circumstance around you, but it diminishes quite a bit where you are just kind of like in your own little bubble. That's one of the features that I love the most about these. So not only can you just isolate yourself, but you could also listen obviously to music while you're walking around, going to school, or whatever you do, going to the office. And they clamp pretty well, and it's not too much clamp. If you give a good shake, it will shake off obviously. So the active noise canceling button is right here, and it's operated separately from the power button over here. I've noticed that listening with the active noise canceling definitely sounds better overall. So that's a little bit of a downside. Individually turn them on and off on each side. And another thing is you can use them while charging also. So they can be on and running as they're charging. And obviously this is where you plug in your cable if you wanted to use that. So the button functions are actually pretty simple. The power button actually pauses and plays your music or answers a call, obviously. And then here we got our volume up and down buttons. And if you hold plus, it goes to the next track. And if you hold minus for a few seconds, it'll go to the last track. And that's pretty much all the controls. It's pretty simple overall. So another pretty awesome thing about these phones is that they can fold. And if you collapse them completely, so not only do the earpieces here, move like this, but they can also fold on each other just like that. And it becomes a pretty small form factor, as you can see, so you can throw it in your backpack or wherever you got to go. So if you didn't want to use this pretty large case, you could just tuck them away like this, which is a really nice feature. So overall guys, I'm pretty happy with these phones, and I think for the price they definitely offer a lot of value. Since the last 2 days I've been wearing them, I was able to listen to music for quite long times and enjoy it. So they're very smooth and not harsh, Now, when I first put these on, my first impression was a little bit like, you know, dull and not so flashy, I guess. The first impression can always be deceiving and wrong. That's why you got to keep them on for a few days and dust them. And when I did that, I realized how good they were. So I will definitely be using this for everyday life and travel and things like that. And whenever I want peace and quiet, I'll just turn on the active noise canceling and put them on. So overall, guys, I'm going to give these things a thumbs up. And if you want to pick some up, I'll leave some links in the description. Check them out. It's from Amazon. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this and you're not subscribed to this channel, I do a lot of reviews on this channel and things like that. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.